This video will show you how to add an inspection agreement to your inspection template. The first step is to start a new inspection with the template you want to add it to. For this video, we'll say we want to add it to our house template, so we'll click on it and then click on Start New. We don't need to give our inspection a name, so we'll click on Cancel. It is important to note that if you're going to take some time with getting your agreement added into your program, then instead of clicking on Cancel here, you should give the inspection file a name and save it. You can name it whatever you want, but something like Inspection Agreement or Test would work fine. Now that we're in our template, the first step is to add in a new category for the agreement. To do this, we'll click on Tools and then Add Category. We don't want to copy an existing category, so we'll click on No. Next, we need to give our new category a name. Let's name it Inspection Agreement. We'll also want to uncheck the box for Use line numbers and ratings in Printed Report. And then let's click on OK. Now we need to decide where we want our inspection agreement to appear in the report. This is most commonly inserted at the beginning of the report, so we'll click on Insert at Top and then click OK. You can now see the inspection agreement categories in the top of our category list. If we click on it, we'll see that it's still blank. That's because all we've done is add in a new empty category. We now need to add in the inspection agreement component. To add in the component, we'll click on Tools and then Add Component. We'll find the inspection agreement in the list and then click on it to highlight it and then click on OK. As you can now see, the inspection agreement component has been added. The first few lines are where the program's going to automatically pull some of the key inspection information from the general information category, such as the client name and property address. Next, we have a spot where you can enter in your agreement. Let's click on it where it says Insert your inspection agreement here. This brings up a note window where you can put in the language for your agreement. The easiest way to do this is to copy and paste the text from another source like a PDF or Word document that you have the agreement text in. If you don't have a place where you can copy and paste it from, you do have the option to type it in as well. While this will take some time, you'll only have to do it once, as the next thing we'll cover is how to save this permanently. Once the agreement is set up the way you want, click on OK. The last item in the component is a spot where your client can sign and date the agreement. This works well on any touchscreen device. Now that the inspection agreement is added to this inspection, we'll want to save it so it's a part of your template moving forward. To do this, we'll go to Tools and then Save as Template. A message pops up that says, "Your inspection contains data. Do you want to erase the data before creating the template?" We want to click on No. The data it's referring to is the agreement that we just set up. If we were to click on Yes, then it would clear all that out, and we don't want to do that. Now we need to give our template a new name. Let's call this House with Agreement for both the file name and the template name. We'll click on OK to continue. A message pops up that asks if we want to send the template to our cloud. We do, because we do want this available on all the devices that we use PalmTech on, so we'll click on Yes. The template will be uploaded and we'll get a message saying that it was successful. We've now added an inspection agreement to a template. The next time we go in to start a new inspection, we will have this template available to use. This concludes the video on adding an inspection agreement to your template.